Hey everyone, we're back in our back to weeding garden. So we made this little plot here a year or so ago to grow strawberries in. We mulched it with tons of wood chips, and as you can see, it's more like back to weeding, as I mentioned in my previous videos. I don't know, it looks pretty promising, but I think it's there's a lot more to it than the videos that are online. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I've got some microfab fabric here. Okay, I'm going to line this thing with this microfab, and then I'm just going to cut holes in it where we're going to plant. I got some watermelon plants there. Okay, and I've got half a dozen broccoli plants inside. It's warm enough we can finally bring them out. It's early June. So this is going to be our watermelon slash broccoli patch. Maybe a couple tomato plants in here. So anyways, I'm going to get all this fabric down and get this stuff planted. I'll give you a shot of our tomato plants. We started these from seed back in the middle of March. Now it's almost the middle of June. So that one's looking a little hurting, but the rest are gonna be good plants. And I got that fabric under this too, with the mulch, just to keep the fabric from blowing away. And I gotta get a few more cages put on them. We got it done. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 broccolis, and I didn't cover that up where the watermelons are. So we got 5 watermelons over there, so I think I'm just gonna let this sit the rest of the year. I might plant a few tomatoes in there, but I'm gonna try and burn this grass off, and then at the end of the year I'm gonna till it all up and try and get like a foot of leaves in here, or just keep tilling it. Anyways, be careful of that back to Eden method. I think the mistake we made on this was not putting a border way down into the ground to stop the grass roots from getting in, because they're brutal, this grass out here. Anyways, I had to hurry up. Sorry I didn't include you on all the planting and whatever, but skeeters are coming out and it's starting to rain, so be careful of that back to Eden method.